Alright, in this video I will show you how you can get a free $25,000 prop firm account. Alright, and I will not be taking much of your time. But before I proceed, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, ensure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video as well. Alright, as you can see right here, this is a withdrawal proof from the last $100 bonus I dropped, which is Trendo, and the bonus is still available. You can check my Telegram channel for the link to get the bonus. Alright. So now moving to how you can get this particular 25k Profem account. It is very simple and straightforward. Alright. Just check the description. You find the link that will lead you to my Telegram channel there, and click it. It will take you to where you will get the link to get this particular account. Alright. So to get the account, you have to sign up first. Sign up. Alright. So after signing up, you have to input your details right here. Input your details and everything they request from you. Alright. So after signing up accounts with them, it is going to direct you right here where you have to study some course. But let's skip that part. This is why I usually tell you guys to ensure you watch the video to the very end so that you can know how you can get this particular account. Alright, so you can just take a moment to go through everything they have on their platform. And to get the account, all you have to do is to click on the leaderboard showing right here at the bottom. Click on the leaderboard and it's going to direct you right here. So as you can see right here, you just have to scroll down. You just have to scroll down until you get here. And after getting to this reward roadmap, as you can see right here, all you have to do is to click on this show all 13 rewards. Click on it and you scroll down to the end until you find this right here. Alright, as you can see, this is a 25k select account. Alright, now it is now available for all countries, as you can see right here. But you can just click on this to know the countries that are restricted from getting this particular account. So as you can see right here, you can just check everything. But Nigeria is eligible and some other countries as well. Alright, so you can just take out your time to go through all the countries that are not available. Alright, and after that, you can see right here that you need about 1,750 points to unlock this particular account. And to get points is very simple. These are the things you need to do right here, right, to get points. Right, so once you are able to get your points, then you'll be able to purchase this particular $25,000 account. Alright, so this is how you can get this account. I hope you're on your way to get yours already. And don't forget to like this video and also comment and drop and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates from me. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel as well. I will see you in my next video and I will see you at the top. Bye.